if you have a B5 S4 that suddenly is popping your ECU fuse, and obviously then the car dies, and then you obviously can't start it because the ECU fuse keeps popping. In my case, it was fuse 32, which is a 20 amp fuse that goes right here, which is right here right now. But if you're going crazy trying to figure out what it is and you don't already know this, the harness where it comes out of the ECU, you have all those electrical connectors that run behind the coolant ball here, and your harness is right here. There are studs metal studs on the firewall. One of them is right there that will chafe through this main harness and short it out, and that will be what's popping your fuse. So right now I have a mask because it's COVID times. Well, not really, but it's about the only good use that this thing has. Holding the harness away from that stud once I discovered this, just so I could get home. But now I have to obviously take this apart, see the damage to the wiring, and fix it. However, if you weren't already aware of this, I think that there's two studs that I can see. And when the wire harness is sitting where it's supposed to be, it rubs those studs. So if you have a similar issue to the car suddenly dying out of nowhere, you have no communication with your ECU, check engine light isn't even on when you have the key on, and fuse 32 is popping, check your harness on those studs, because my guess would be that probably a lot of people have a similar issue and don't even realize it.